picture that starts with letter M. M is for mouse. M is for mango. Well done. I'm Lily, and we're Lucas and Friends. Hi, I'm Lucas. Tap the picture that starts with letter T. T is for turtle. T is for train. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter W. W is for whistle. W is for watermelon. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter M. M is for mouse. M is for mango. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter N. N is for nest. N is for net. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter U. U is for unicorn. U is for umbrella. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter S. S is for sun. S is for sheep. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter C. C is for cat. C is for cake. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter J. J is for joker. J is for jug. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter I. I is for ice cream. I is for iron. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter G. G is for grapes. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter P. P is for parrot. P is for pencil. Well done. picture that starts with letter L. L is for lion. L is for lamp. Well done!